Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a flip through of ColorIt's latest book, Modern Art. I will let you know the team at ColorIt was kind enough to send this over to me, so I always thank them for that. But let's dive right in. Now, I do talk through my flip throughs, so if you do not like someone talking through the flip through, please go ahead and mute me. You can speed up the speed using YouTube settings, whichever you like. All right, let's get going. Okay, here we go. So this is book number 48, and it even has a table of contents. So inspired by Van Gogh, Pollock, Warhol, always get that wrong, Renoir, Picasso, Monet, one of my favorites, Dali. So that's pretty cool. They stick that in there. Okay, this is the blotter page. Every ColorIt book has it, as well as the perforated edges and spiral bound. This is pretty cool. They go over the eras of modern art, going through Impressionism, Post-Impressionism. I mean, they're going through everything. Ooh, abstract, my favorite. So, let's go. All right, here is your belongs to page. Now, because you have the table of contents up front, you can look up the original artwork, and then you could paint it like the original, or color it, I should say, if you want, or do your own thing. Look at that. So yeah, you could like reinvent the wheel if you wanted. I probably would look up the original and try to get it somewhat close. But that's just me. You do you. I do apologize if you can hear the wind. We have a storm that decided to roll in the second I started rolling film. What's fun is if you go through these and you actually recognize some of them. Oh yeah, that would be fun. Look at that. I like that they kept some of those outlines for the, you know, acrylic art, so you can kind of, you could actually paint with acrylic on this. Just pop out your page, glue it to a not glue it, tape it to a hardboard, and do the acrylic version if you want. Acrylic's opaque enough, you'll cover this right up. Yeah, you can definitely go through, find the original. Oh, look at that. That would be a fun one to copy the original of. I think that they said that was pop art. One thing when you do the flip through, back and forth. Oops. Oh, that one I can't wait to do. So many. Oh, same with that one. I had my eyes on that one. This. Oh, that one too. I wish I could do like abstract art, you know, like myself, original. I can't. Oh, yep, this one I can't wait for. Oh, that one's cool. That one I would have to look up the original just because I want to see how it's done. See what I mean about the lines? You can kind of see where the different layers of paint were in the original. Oh, I remember that one. I've actually seen someone do that one on Instagram already. They beat me to the punch. Oh, that's gorgeous. I like that one too. That'll definitely be a good one. This one as well. Just making sure I'm not missing any. Ooh, that's a fun one. All right. There we have it. Well, that is all 50 original images here in the latest ColorIt book, Modern Art. I will leave a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link. There is no extra charge to you to use it. It just helps support my channel. And then as always, thank you for hanging out with me and checking out this book. So until next time, y'all, take care. Bye now.